Hi, congratulations, you are now wearing your temporary teeth. These teeth are made to protect your teeth and gums or even your implants which have abutments on top of them. These teeth will help you eat, speak and smile in your healing period. They help your dentist to evaluate your comfort, your appearance and even your bite with these temporary teeth. What can you expect or not expect from these temporary teeth? First of all, these teeth are not your final ones, so they are not as strong as your permanent teeth. They are not going to be same in the shape, size and color as your final teeth, so do not expect perfect aesthetics from these. They are also not going to help you with the exact same chewing efficiency as your final teeth. These are going to be a short-term solution till your final teeth come, and they are going to be used to give the final aesthetics and smile in your permanent ones. How are you going to take care of your temporary teeth? First of all, since they are temporaries, we cannot bite anything very hard with them. So it's preferable that you choose soft food and avoid hard, sticky or crunchy food. Then you have to maintain utmost oral hygiene with them. How can you do that? With the use of mouthwash, water flossers and proper brushing technique. You have to maintain oral hygiene so that any food lodgement which is there is removed. Please try to maintain any follow-up appointments for adjustments of these temporary teeth with your dentist. When can you contact us at City Dental Hospital? If you have gone out with your temporary teeth and by chance the teeth have fallen off, they are getting loose, or the tooth has broken or come out. Also, if you experience any pain, bleeding, discomfort or swelling after your temporary teeth are delivered, our coordinators will be there to help you. Every smile goes through a temporary stage. Thank you for your patience while we create your final custom smile.